Secretariat's welcome program this morning.
My visit to Vanuatu and to the Solomons earlier on in the week is because Fiji wants me to go and thank first the MSG Spearhead Group members, that is Papua New Guinea, Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, and FLNKS for the support that they've given Fiji during these past years. Very trying times for Fiji. And that is the purpose of my visit. I was not able to go to Papua New Guinea because the Prime Minister was away in Europe, and he wanted me to visit Papua New Guinea when he was there. So that is why we started with the Solomon Islands, visited them there, then we've come here. Then tomorrow I'll go back home, and next time I will visit Papua New Guinea, then I will visit the FLNKS as well. But all that I am tasked to do there is to thank the countries of the Pacific, but initially the countries of MSG, who have stood us, given us solidarity and the confidence to carry on with the timetable that we've set to achieve elections before October 2014. We're on track for that. And your confidence in us and your solidarity, and the solidarity as well of the headquarters of the Melanesian Spearhead Group, have made us keep to our timetable. And we will have elections before October next year. And we all look forward to that. So that is the first part. The second part is to thank you for your solidarity in the Pacific Islands Development Forum. And the roles that each of your countries played in the establishment of that forum. It will be, as it is now, a very important forum for us. Again, as I said initially, we have so much potential. Whether we realize our potential is the main thing. Other people outside can see our potential, but they, as they always do, look at us and say, these fellows, they've got the potential to do this, they've got the potential to do that. Do they realize they have the potential to do that? And if we can do that, we won't have any problems. We are a voice to be heard. It's a small voice, but it's a distinct voice. It's a Melanesian voice. But as I said earlier, we can have a distinct voice, but in our Pacific, we have two other great peoples, the Polynesians and the Micronesians. So we should never forget that we are not just oceanically linked with them. We are linked with them in other ways. And those other ways produce very close ties. So, on behalf of my delegation, I would just like to thank you for the welcome ceremony you've accorded me. I am, as I said initially, greatly honored to be here. I will come through here again sometimes in the future, but I am glad to. When I've come this time, I've seen that the headquarters is well established, it's functioning, and it's carrying out the work that it was tasked to do. So, for all of you who are here, I just wish you the best of luck. Thank you. Thank you, Tomas.